So, hello everybody, how are you all? Hope you are doing great. Today I am going to tell you something about study and how can you improve your English every time. If you are doing some work, you can speak English while working and while something else. If you are studying, you can use English there. Like suppose you are solving mathematics, you can use I can't solve this question and I can solve this question and what would be the value and what is the formula. This type of you can use everywhere. And if you are doing some work, like suppose you have reached your home and you are doing something else, and if you have reached farm and you are doing some work, like as you can see I have reached in the farm and I have reached here to cut sugar cane, so I can speak English here and I use I am cutting sugarcane and by what time I would cut it and what would I do after that. As you can speak English everywhere whenever you want. And if you are doing, suppose you are going somewhere, you can use I am going there and firstly I have to take this path and then I would reach here and after that I would talk someone else. Then you can use every time English. This is language. Whenever you want, you can speak it. And if you have fear I can't speak, like suppose you are at home at this time when you are watching this video, and if you are using English language there and your family member would say you what are you doing and you are mad, you are talking yourself, so you can uh, close the door and then if you have a in big mirror you can sit in front of it and then speak and see yourself and then practice. Am I learning spoken English? I'm learning spoken English. As you whatever you want and whatever you can express, you can speak and you can do everything. If you made promise yourself, you can do everything. As you can see I made a promise to myself, then I would create a vlog daily basis, then I would upload on YouTube. And if I think that some people would say you can't do this work, and I would not leave this, because this I made myself and I made promise to myself, that's why I would not leave it. But I would create a vlog daily basis. As day before yesterday I was creating a vlog and one of student or one of person who was saying you can't do this work, I said him okay I can't do, but I would try. And I denied I denied him, I would not do something. Then if if when you would be learn spoken English, I will see what will you do and what will you do for that. He was saying me, if you can't speak English properly, why are you making vlogs? I said him, if I can't speak English properly, that's why I'm making it. And then if I make a videos or vlog daily basis, I would be fluent in this English. That's why I said him many things. And now I'm going to tell you something about my field. uh, my name is Noordin. If I forgot to tell introduce myself, that's why. And my name is Noordin and I'm from Nirojpur. As you know about my earlier videos, I live in UP, uh, district Bagpat, and now I have reached in the farm and I am going to cut some sugar cane. Then after that I would reach my home, then I would study 6 to 12 o'clock something. I would study at night and then I woke up almost if I talk about today, I woke up 1 o'clock and I slept by 4 o'clock at night. Then now I'm going to tell you something about my field. These are sugar cane. As you can see, these are bundle and they made by my mother and my sister. They spread all of them, and these are date racing. This means pattiya, date racing. And if I talk about bundle, as you can see, these are forward. Forward means medhe ya fir khache. So I think hope you can see it properly. And these are bundle, I have already told you. And if you can see properly, these are my neighborhood sugarcane. And we showed grain means gehu. If you can see it properly, I think you can see, because I can see it easily, that's why I can accept you can see it. And if I talk about English, firstly, if you are going to learn English and you are going to start it, when I was in 12th class, at that time I joined coaching center and I studied there. And when I joined it, and I met a person who was speak fluently at that time. Now he can speak, but nowadays he can't come there, and because of he's doing something else and he's working, and that's why. And then I uh, joined coaching center. He was saying me at that time, what were you saying, this sentence he was saying, and I couldn't understand at that time. I said him, pardon, what are you saying at that time, because of I did not know what is the English and how can we improve in English and what should I do. And I asked him, what should I do to learn English and how can I practice English. He said me, you have to practice English only. And he said, he did not tell me you should learn vocabulary, then you would be fluent in English and you have to learn this type of vocabulary. Because when I was learning spoken English, when I started to learn English, at that time no one was with me at that time. Then I asked someone else, and I asked every person who met me in coaching center who was fluent in English at that time, but no one was telling me about these things. Then I practiced on myself. Then after that I made a YouTube channel and I used to teach English there. I used to teach almost means story. I used to teach story there on that channel. And this is my second channel. I made it recently, and I used to speak English on that. And firstly I used to study about that story. Then after that I used to teach. Then after that, some long time, before some long time, my laptop dead, means it can't work properly now. So that's why I had purchased a new mobile. Then I shoot videos and I can't teach story. That's why because of my laptop it was out of order. That's why then it died. After that I purchased this mobile and I create this type of vlog as you can see here. And I used to teach also story. I taught almost 3 to 4 stories on by this mobile. uh, if you know about how to teach vocabulary and how to learn vocabulary, you can comment into the box, then I will guide you how to work on vocabulary. And some days I will tell you, one of days I will tell you how many vocabulary I have learned and how am I learning vocabulary. Nowadays I am learning vocabulary. I am learning like one word substitution, idioms, phrase, and other ones, homonyms also. I am learning this vocabulary. These are vocabulary. But if you are learning spoken English, you can learn from the story. I used to teach story, and then I made many videos on the vocabulary. And as you can check my second channel, it freezed because of title. Uh, I made same title and I uploaded videos and I uploaded some other videos. That's why my channel was freezed. That's why I left it. And nowadays I'm working my on this channel where you are watching this video. And if I talk about uh, as I said you already, if you are doing something, you can speak English every time and everywhere. And if you have a good smartphone, you can shoot your videos yourself. And if you are not feel comfortable to shoot videos, you can uh, you can not upload. If you think that if I would upload videos on YouTube, I can't feel good, because some people would say what are you doing and you cannot do this work easily. That's why. But you if you think that on people, so you can create a YouTube, then deleted it, and you can have it very long time. Then whenever you saw it, you can watch it again. and you can improve yourself. Then watch video what was wrong with you in that videos, then you can be good in that field. And now I'm going to finish this session because the time has already about to reach. The video duration is almost 10 minutes. So when I would learn spoken English after 1 month, then I would be speak fluently, and I would create daily basis vlog and 30 to 50 minutes, and I will guide you how I improved my English and how can you improve your English easy way. And I will tell you everything, like when if you would support me, I would support all of you, because people do not say how to learn English. I have seen many YouTube channel who said you have to work on your vocabulary, and many people says you have to they gave you many structure, like they saw many sentences, you have to go there and I do this work and I practice English. This type of sentences they provide you. I have already seen this type of situation. But you can't speak. Suppose they gave you 1 to 2,000 structure, and people are sitting with you and they are speaking English there, and they are saying something else and you are speaking other one. So how it is possible? And how? Because structure would be many things, and structure would different. How it is possible you can collect that one structure and tell them, and he would be satisfied with you? He would not satisfied with you if you think that, if you really think that. So now I'm going to finish this session. So my name is Nurdin, and bye.